So hello fellow banknotes collectors, this is Bo back with another video, and as you can see there's a lot of notes in the setup here, but today's video is gonna be about the Namibian dollars. I know guys, if you're old to my channel and that you subscribe to me since a few months, you might have seen a currency special about the Namibian dollars. Sorry, I'm a bit sick, and at the time most of my notes were in a very bad condition, and I've got some so basically these are the notes of my collection. These are just some extras, but I could replace most of them for some decent condition notes, as you can see. Yeah, so we're just gonna make a review, but first of all guys, I want to show you something quite interesting. It's on the 20s, so spot the difference. As you can see, on the older you get the diamonds, and the U1 on the new ones, yeah, they remove the diamonds. Also on the 10ers, huh? Only on the 10 and 20s there used to be some diamonds, but they were removed a few years ago. So this is the 2013, this is the 2018. I don't remember, but one of my subscribers asked me to do a old versus new comparison. So that's a good example of it. You've got the new one here without the diamond, and the older one is the diamond. So yeah. So basically I've got a few extras. The 50, two 20s and a 10er, but I'll go to the exchange office and change them into euros because I don't need them. So now we're gonna have a quick look at the sets. So this is the 10 here, in quite good condition, yeah. On the front we've got Dr. Sam Nujoma, BON for Bank of Namibia, 10 for $10. On the reverse we've got some Springbok, that one's from 2019, yeah. It's a nice note. So here we've got the famous 20 with the diamonds, with the diamond, yeah. Sorry for the bad pronunciation guys, I'm trying to do my best. So we've got Dr. Sam Nujoma as well, like on the 10 as you can see here. Sorry, I took the wrong notes. So 20 Namibian dollars, about, would say €1.50, maybe more, maybe less, but it's around €1.50, yeah. On the rest we got some rare horde beasts, yeah. But as you can see, it's well circulated, huh? But I will keep it because it's the older one, is the diamond, so yeah. This is the 50. As you can see, the 50 I used to have was in a very poor condition. Like it was very damaged. Look all the folds, the dust and stuff. Now I've got a quite better one. I mean, look at the difference. It's obviously, this is like, you know, it's very damaged. That one is in better condition, yeah. Then we've got Captain Hendrik Whiteboy here. On the rest we've got some Kudu. And here we've got the Home of Namibia, yeah. So this is definitely a keeper. This is the best condition note I've got. I mean, one of my friends went to Namibia and he brought me a set. It was like one year ago, yeah. Almost 1 year ago. Shout out to him if you watch my video. He will recognize himself. And this is the 100, like, it's almost uncirculated. There are like maybe 1 or 2 very small folds. And yeah, so we've got Captain Hendrik Whiteboy here as well. I think he fought it against German during the, when Namibia was under German East African domination if I'm not wrong, but I should search for it. So it's about 7 euros, yeah. On the left we've got some Horrocks. Now let's move on with the 200s, the highest denomination. For those who don't know, this is the full sets, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200s. That's all the denominations of Namibia. Yeah. So we've got Captain Hendrik Witbooi as well. On the reverse we've got some Roan Antelope. And it's a nice purple note, yeah. The security features are very fancy. Like, I like this part. On the side here, it's very fancy. Like on the 100 as well, it's very cool. Yeah.